The connection type joint. Open the interface for connections and then select the connection type for the joint. The selection sequence is not important for the joint connection type. All possible connection types are now checked and displayed in the interface. By clicking on a connection, the connection is now automatically placed in the correct position and aligned correctly. In addition, connection elements such as screws are added so that the material extraction is correct at the end. Enjoy the next video.